Welcome back to Birding with Chris. In this episode, we're birding in the Daintree Rainforest.
The Daintree Rainforest is one of the oldest rainforests on Earth, home to over 430 species of birds, where the lush jungle meets the ocean.
Let's go find some birds.
My first birding adventure of the trip took place on a boat exploring the Daintree River, home to one of the largest populations of saltwater crocodiles in Australia. That's my friend Captain Murray, an awesome birder and naturalist. The birding started off with a bang, with incredible views of a Papuan frogmouth perched above the water. Along the Daintree River, an incredible diversity of birds hang out where water meets the land. Over 430 species have been recorded in this region, drawn to the river's rich and ever-changing ecosystem. While exploring one of the muddy tributaries, we were treated to fantastic views of these rare spotted whistling ducks. Out of nowhere, a crocodile surfaced and swam alongside our boat, and then on our way back to the dock, I saw the first of many black butcherbirds. For the second half of the day, I took a ferry across the river to the Daintree National Park in search of the world's most dangerous bird, the cassowary. I stopped at a tropical orchard and added 2 more lifers to my list, the double-eyed fig parrot and the pied monarch. While taking a quick dip in a swimming hole, I noticed a bridled honeyeater nearby. It started raining, so I quickly grabbed my scope and umbrella. The bridled honeyeater is endemic to northeastern Queensland, mostly confined to the Daintree Rainforest. This tiny rainforest gem with its striking white bridle across the face feeds mainly on nectar and has a musical song that makes it easy to spot among the trees. I kept my scope trained on the red blossoms of this umbrella tree and was rewarded with some incredible birds. The Daintree Rainforest receives around 150 inches of rain each year, and I visited at the height of the wet season. We're looking for the cassowaries right now, but it's a flash flood and it's pouring rain. Look at this. There's a creek in the middle of the road. This is crazy. The heavy rain made spotting a cassowary tough, so I headed back across the river and south towards sunnier skies. When the sun finally broke through, I pulled over by the side of the road near a flooded field. The little egret isn't just local to Australia, it's found across Europe, Africa, and Asia. It uses its feet to stir up fish for an easy meal. My destination for the night was Port Douglas, but we had to take the long way because all the rain flooded out the main road. We just got to Port Douglas and there is a massive roosting flock of rainbow lorikeets. This is amazing. This is my 4th video from Australia. Please like and subscribe and check out my other birding adventures from down under, including videos from Sydney, Cairns, and Canberra. The next morning, I enjoyed the sunrise before heading out for a big day of birding. Our first stop of the day was at Warry Park in Port Douglas. The pond was flooded from all the rain, and we got awesome views of a bush thickening. The pond had swollen after the rain, and among the lily pads I spotted comb-crested jacanas and Australia's smallest goose, the green pygmy. On our way out of town, we stopped at the water treatment plant. At the aquaculture ponds, fish are raised in large, shallow ponds that draw birds for food and shelter. This morning, I spotted a wonderful variety of birds around the ponds and surrounding areas. These ponds were full of birds, and I tallied over 10 lifers, including a stunning pied heron. On our way to the next stop, we slammed on the brakes for a blue-winged Kookaburra. Then we realized we parked right next to a snake. We think it was a Taipan, one of the world's most venomous snakes, so we carefully moved it off the road to keep it safe. Checking out the termite mounds in this habitat, we spotted a group of Australian bustards in the old farm fields. One of the best stops of the day was this RV park, a unique mix of personalities and vibrant birds. We're currently at an RV park and a campground, and we're looking for the tawny frogmouth. Super hard to spot, but it's known that there's a family here, so let's see what we can do. Although it doesn't look like an ideal birding spot, the RV park hosted several species we didn't see anywhere else on our trip. Now that is some serious foliage.
A flock of red-winged parrots destroyed this mango.
We said our goodbyes to the friendly locals and hit the road for the next leg of our journey.
It's been raining for about an hour, so we're gonna take a pit stop and go get some lunch.
Inside the store, I ordered tenders with chicken salt and played with the dogs while we waited out the rain. The rain kept coming, but we made one last stop at Arbiter Swamp, hoping to find birds waiting out the rain. The swamp overall produced far more birds than we expected. We made our way deeper into the swamp, racking up more and more lifers. Over the few days that we were in far northeast Queensland, the trip was incredible. I saw 153 species, including 84 lifers, bringing my Australia trip total to 262 species with a whopping 229 lifers. I missed the cassowary, but check out the bonus footage for a surprise. Thanks for watching this episode of Birding with Chris. Happy birding. Congrats, you made it to the bonus footage. Check out this insane bird I found in Port Douglas at the Lazy Lizard Motel. Right above me is a super rare bird, the Papuan frogmouth.